volunteer. Are you miss? Okay, Vinda. Yes, Vinda, please let's our prayer.
Okay, my teacher, okay, my friends. Before we start to study, let me pray together. May we start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Vinda. And all of you here, are you ready to get lesson for me today? Ready? Ready? Okay, biar lebih semangat as always, I want to invite you to be blessed together. It's like Parisa says or what you said in the last week that yes, we are happy when we are dancing. Yes, right. Are you are Parisa? Wow, semangat banget. Okay, all of you are close, and now let's continue our material today. Last week, what we have learned, guys? What we have learned in the previous meeting? Attention. Yes, Parisa? Attention. Attention. Apa nama materinya minggu sebelumnya? Kalian disuruh ngapain minggu sebelumnya? Making announcement. Announcement, right? We have done our project to make announcement. Text about what is our text about? Okay, good. Okay, guys, let's continue our material today by watching this picture first. Okay, guys, please watch the picture. Anybody here familiar with this picture? Yes. What is that? Kok tahu semua? Kok tahu itu paling bunda? Ada tulisannya. Ada apa ciri khasnya di situ? Batu. Oh, berarti kalian kalau sudah melihat batu ingatnya paling bunda. Iya. Oke. Kalau ngomongin maling kundang, kira-kira kita mau bahas materi tentang apa?
Maling kundang.
Maling kundang is about maling kundang itu sebuah apa sih?
Cerita.
Cerita apa?
Legenda.
Kalau berhubungan dengan cerita, dengan legenda, so what is our material? Last night I had shared about our material in our group. Anybody here open the material? Ada yang buka materi nggak tadi malam? Enggak. Judulnya nggak juga. Oh, Benny nggak baca materi deh. Oh, nggak sempat. Oke, kalau sudah ngomongin cerita, ngomongin legenda, itu identik dengan apa sih? Apa judul materinya kira-kira? What is our material? No one? Minggu lalu teksnya tentang apa? Announcement. Sebelum announcement teks apa? Descriptive. Di descriptive kemarin ada yang menyebutkan orientation. Nah, berarti materi kita apa ini? Naratif teks. Naratif teks itu materi yang seperti apa, Pak Arista? Tadi kan jawabnya balik bener. Naratif teks itu materi tentang apa kira-kira? Bahas apa sih naratif teks? Cerita. Yang lain, ada yang punya pendapat lain? Naratif teks. What we learn in naratif teks?
Suatu teks yang memiliki kaidah kebahasaan.
Yes, like
Complication,
action
verb,
verb,
resolution,
orientation, apa lagi?
coda, saying and thinking.
Yes, saying and thinking.
Verb.
Berarti Vinda sebenarnya sudah belajar tapi nggak ngomong. Sudah dipelajari materinya berarti ya Vinda ya?
Sudah tapi belum semuanya.
Oke, kita lanjutkan belajarnya hari ini. After this picture, let's continue the next picture. What about this? Kalau dari picture ini, what do you think about this picture? Kalau intelnya kan tadi udah tahu ya, judulnya apa tadi?
Maling
Maling
kundang.
kundang. What do you think about this picture?
Paling kurang istrinya.
Paling kurang istrinya, ibunya itu di dalam cerita bercerita sebagai apa?
Karakter.
Karakter, right. Kalau sudah ngomongin cerita, tidak jauh-jauh dari karakter, of course. Apa tadi? Kata sifat or adjective, kata kerja pasti. Cerita itu sudah terjadi apa belum? Sudah. Kalau sudah terjadi berarti biasanya identik dengan apa lagi?
Past tense.
Past tense, right. Pintar semua ternyata kalau pintar belajar. Okay, let's continue to the next slide. Before we continue material, let me tell you about our tujuan pembelajaran this slide. Right, our material is about English knowledge text. And now it's about our tujuan pembelajaran. Here is menerjemahkan cerita untuk mencari dan mengevaluasi detail spesifik dan inti dari teks narasi or interpretation. Jadi di sini menerjemahkan itu tidak hanya kalian tahu cerita Malipundang versi bahasa Inggris, kemudian diterjemahkan. No, it's not like that. Because there, I am included or I insert interpretation. Saya memasukkan interpretasi di sana. Anybody here know the meaning of interpretation? Interpretasi. Ada yang pernah dengar kata itu? Belum ya? Interpretasi itu menerjemahkan sekaligus memaknai. Jadi kalian tidak hanya tahu artinya, tapi kalian tahu maknanya. Cerita itu selalu punya makna bagi pembacanya. Mungkin bagi Riza dan Laila menangkap sebuah pesan dari cerita itu beda. That's interpretation. Let's continue about our indikator keberhasilan. Di sana ada 4, bisa kalian baca sendiri. And the last steps we have to, after learn this material, I want you all here in kelas 10 ATP 1 to be able to menyimpulkan pesan moral dari teks narasi sesuai dengan konteksnya. Jadi tujuan akhirnya kalian bisa menyimpulkan pesan moral. Setiap cerita, setiap kisah itu punya pesan. Pesan dari kisah ini nanti apa ya? You have to be able to do that. Kalian harus bisa menyimpulkan. It's our tujuan akhir. Kalau tadi tujuan saja, ini tujuan akhir. Di situ dijelaskan secara rinci. Di belakangnya ada secara bergotong royong, secara mandiri, bernalar kritis, berakhlak mulia. Itu artinya kalian mengerjakan semua itu ada targetnya. Jadi tidak hanya bisa mengartikan, tapi mengartikan dengan benar dan mandiri. Artinya kalian bisa mengerjakan tanpa banyak bantuan dari orang lain. Atau bergotong royong. Artinya kalau bergotong royong itu bisa ngapain, guys? Mengerjakannya bersama-sama. Maksudnya mengerjakan bersama-sama gimana ya, Wak Lingsing ya? Alright, seperti pertemuan-pertemuan sebelumnya ya, kita belajar secara berkelompok. So, it should be do with your group, not one by one or individually. Karena kerja kelompok tidak boleh dikerjakan sendiri-sendiri. Nah, oke. Next is alright, here. Saya punya sesuatu, tapi sebelum itu dari pelajaran ketika kalian dulu saya kasih teks deskriptif, keinginan membaca kalian sudah meningkat atau belum? Sudah suka baca sekarang? Sudah, benar. Eka suka baca apa, Kak? WA. Terus suka baca apa? Oh, bahasa Arab. Baca Al-Quran. Oke. Yang penting setidaknya yang dibaca baik ya. Solikin, sekarang sudah suka baca atau belum? Baca apa? Novel. Oke, jadi dari pelajaran sebelumnya kita sudah bisa sedikit demi sedikit membangkitkan motivasi untuk suka membaca lagi ya. Here mari kita tes apakah benar kalian sudah suka membaca. So I'll give you this one. Oke, di situ ada teksnya dan ada gambarnya. Kelihatan teksnya? Kalau tidak kelihatan saya bagikan LKPD-nya karena nanti di LKPD-nya ada teks ini. Jadi kalian tidak harus baca yang ada di slide ya guys ya. Okay. The same it's like in the slide. Jadi di sini teksnya sama. Nanti kalian perhatikan teks yang di kertas ini. Adakah yang error? Ini teks tentang apa? Sudah tahu cerita paling mudah? Kira-kira nanti setelah ini bisakah kalian menemukan? Karena jika dulu nanti kasih tahu ke ibu errornya di mana. Sudah ditemukan errornya? Let's you find the error of the text there. Yes, Arista baby. What is the error? Posisinya acak is random ya. Kalau saya suruh kalian kerjakan sendiri-sendiri, minta harusnya kalau posisinya random berarti diapakan? Diurutkan. Kalian kalau tak suruh mengurutkan sendiri, bisa nggak?
Mungkin kita coba dulu nih.
Oh, coba dulu. Enak kerja sendiri atau berkelompok?
Kelompok.
Berkelompok ya. Oke, let's find your group here. Group 1. Jadi walaupun posisinya sudah berkelompok, kalau ternyata tidak sekelompok ini nanti pindah tuh ya. Oke, group 1. Pindah Faisal, April, Agung, dan Nika. Oke, next. Group 2 we have Laila, Ike, and Dimas, and the last Aziz. The group is Risa, Mila, Mayu, Rio, and Alisa, and the last one is Solihin, Said, Naili, Wahyu, and Rizky. Please find your group guys. Yuk, mari. Ini sayangnya grupnya milik teman-teman sendiri. Sekarang silakan. You find your group all here. Oke, kalau sudah ketemu kelompoknya masing-masing, I have searched to you, I have give to you the worksheet. Tadi kan sudah ibu bagikan ya worksheetnya ya. Silakan worksheetnya dibuka and kalian silakan melanjutkan di halaman kedua after the text. This one is activity 1. Please now open for activity 2. Activity 2. Have you home? Yes? Yes. Here is for activity 2. You have to do here and you have to fill the blank. You have to fill this place with the general structure of the narrative text. Tadi kan ada yang bilang pindah kalau tidak salah. Narrative text itu punya orientation, punya complication show. So here, find the orientation from the text of Malin Kundang. Tadi teks Malin Kundang itu pasti ada pembukaannya, pasti ada konfliknya, pasti ada penutupnya. So find it and isikan di sini. Here is the instruction. Ada instructionnya di atas itu. Arrange and rewrite the legend of Malin Kundang on the following table. Silakan diperhatikan teksnya nanti diturutkan. Tadi kan si Faisal sudah bilang teksnya kan random acak. Yes, alright. Silakan sekarang diurutkan. Paham dengan instruksinya? Paham sudah? How about this group? Group 2? Paham ya? Oke, kalau sudah paham silakan dikerjakan untuk bagian activity 2. Come on, tuh. Kalian sudah punya namus, di situ sudah ada laptop, ada HP, silakan digunakan semaksimal mungkin. If you have difficulties or find difficulties in doing the task, just ask me. I will help you. So, each group one laptop. You can open the laptop because I have search material in a laptop here. Okay? Yang lain silakan. There is activity 1 and there is activity 2. After that, di halaman selanjutnya there is activity 3. Alright? Benar? Sudah ditentukan? Sudah. Nah, silakan karena kalian kan berkelompok banyak orangnya, bisa diskusi bersama-sama. You can divide the group. Kalian bisa membagi kelompok kalian untuk misalnya kelompok 2 in Ricky group. Ricky kerjain activity 2 misal ya. Terus Mela mengerjakan activity 3. Dimas mengerjakan activity berapa here? Activity 4. Nah, kalian bisa bekerja sama membagi tugas untuk agar tugasnya bisa selesai. Yes. Here is for mana sih? This one. For example, we will on some pastel here. Anda melihat pastel di sini?
Mungkin
No, right. So you can write so here. So and then what again? Iya, ada apa? Ayo di sini. What? Okay.
merit.
Married. You can write it there. Landed. Okay, ya. Sama. Landed apa? Landed.
Berlanjut.
No question? Paham ya? Sudah selesai besoknya? Oke, great. Berarti silakan dilanjutkan ke activity-activity selanjutnya ya. Itu yang coba bagian dari nanti atau gimana?
Iya.
Oke. What about this group? Do you find some difficulties here in group 3? Ada yang sulit? No? To finish activity 2, activity 3, activity 4. So now I want to know here, yang sudah selesai activity 1-nya siapa? Activity 1-nya sudah selesai? Kelompok 4. Menyusunnya sudah selesai. Oke, setelah disusun, kelompok 2 atau 3 di sini? 2. Kelompok 2 juga sudah? information of the next activity. The next activity is I want you here all of group to make a presentation slides like before, and you can insert the orientation, communication, resolution, and if you find the kode or apa namanya ya? Kode itu apa sih guys? Kode reorientation. Kalau kalian bisa menemukan reorientationnya juga boleh diinsertkan. Jadi silakan bagi yang sudah activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, kalian sudah boleh laptopnya dipergunakan untuk menyusun slide PowerPoint. Nanti dipresentasikan di depan kelas seperti sebelum-sebelumnya. Ada yang mau ditanyakan tentang presentasinya? Boleh, kalau enggak saya anggap paham semua. Ini tentang presentasinya yang mau ditanyakan? No? No? Have you question? Ada yang mau ditanyakan tentang tugas membuat presentasinya? Kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, saya anggap paham semua. Oke, what you need to what happened? Apanya yang apa aja maksudnya? Oh, PowerPoint-nya silakan nanti. Kalian tadi kan sudah ngisi. Ini ada password, so you can include this one. Jadi boleh nanti bisa di slide 2, kalian bisa ada tesnya, kalian bisa modifikasi. Jadi nanti ambil pokoknya apakah kalian ada yang mau ditanyakan? Ya, next slide-nya bisa dilanjutkan dengan kalian. Oh, iya, password-nya itu. Siapa tahu nanti kalian bisa dapat yang mulai untuk memulai bisa memulai yes. What about group 3? Ini ya? What about this group? Ada sudah selesai belum? Sampai mana sudah? Tadi kamu kalau kita yang mulai. Yang sudah kalian tuliskan di sini. This one is about the detailed information of the text of the legend of Hallelujah. What detailed information of that? Ada karakter, support, you can include the director, and next is original. Original ini artinya apa? Aslinya. Dari mana aslinya? Dari mana? Dari Sumatera. Sumatera apa? West Sumatera. Oke, good. Ngaliuk. Itu namanya apa ya Ngaliuk? Oke, Ngaliuk baca. Nah, itu suara desa. Jadi orang kita ada ini. You can just read this station or past tense. You have one many past tense there. Kalian menemukan past tense banyak kan di teks itu? And of course, sudah menemukan sudah kan? Tinggal masukkan yang kalian tulis di sana. Masukkan di sana. Bukan ya? Okay. Because you have done your work together, and who wants to be the first presenter? Kelompok siapa yang mau maju pertama? Kelompok 1. Oke, group 1. Please welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Bukan, and let me introduce our member groups. I am Vida. This is April. This is Marisa. This is Sarif and Ramadhaneka. Here we will present the result of our discussion in PowerPoint. And we can start from first presenter. Orientation. A long time ago, in small village near the beach in West Sumatra, his mother had only a heart because his father had passed away when he was a baby. Mangkundang was healthy, diligent, and strong boy. He usually went to see the captives. After the activities, he will bring it to his mother, or shall the cock is
The brigade allowed Manikunda to stay with him. Manikunda agreed in the hope to get a better life. He left his mother alone. Many years later, Manikunda became sailing. He saw merchants ship being transit by a bed of the local people that was Manikunda, a boy from the area. There was just one truck in the Malikunda has become his and now his hair.
She wanted to her sadness of being after a long time. When it wanted from
Okay, that's all our presentation today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
From Buku, there we will listen to the two of our discussion. First of all, we will introduce myself, Mela. This is Vicky, Laila, Agnes, and Lukas. The first presenter is Vicky.
A long time ago, in small village near the beach in West Sumatra, lived a woman 5 years old. Malikunda and his mother had all recovered because his father had wasn't away when he was a baby. Malikunda was a healthy, diligent, and strong boy that usually went out to sea to just twice after getting twice very well break to his mother or seldom. Count twice in the hobby.
Next presenter is Laila with
Presentation. Past liver, south, left, Vietnam, right, left, side, left, along, time for next time, and conclusion. After a long time, when Malikunda was sailing, but he kept refusing to do it and yelling at her, and set sail, finally feeling enraged.
Adjective to worthy, happy, diligent, strong, fat, and on. Alert and affirmative phrases. Long I go in smell, correct, near the beach in beach, Sumatra is a woman and her son Malikunda. One day, we Malikunda was sailing. Many years later, Malikunda become wealthy.
So many presentations from our group. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Hai.
Hi. He will present the result of our discussion. First of all, we will introduce myself, Mila, Isis Nobra, Nanda, Rio, and Mahrum. Here is our presentation. Next presenter is Aura. Okay.
We will inform you about details information of the legend of Malikunda. Number 1 is the characters of the story. The characters of the story is Malikunda, Mother's Malikunda, white Malikunda, and sheep tails.
And the woman from the owner will
The conflict of the story. Here, rebellion against another enemy. God is not the will. Acknowledge.
Any question?
Me.
Okay, Farista.
Is there any other character in Malikunda?
Okay, may I answer in Indonesia? Okay. Jadi selain tokoh yang saya sebutkan tadi, ada tokoh lain dalam cerita tersebut yaitu Ship's Crew.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, Farista, enough?
Enough, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, you can close the presentation. Feel free.
Summary presentation from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Hi.
We are from group 4. Our members are I am Sodipin and Wahyu Ningsi, Naili Lizati, and Rizky Ramadan and Aji Putra Gandhi. We going to present about narrative text about Malikunda. Okay, thanks. This is the orientation presentation Rizky, please. Okay. Long thing to in smart village near the beach in West Madras. To meet a woman and her son. Malikunda person the person visit the village. To thank him, the village allow Malikunda to serve with him. Malikunda agreed in hope to get a better life. He left his mother alone. Next, presentation will thanks about detailed information of the text. Naili Lizati, please. Next, presentation Wahyu Ningsi, please.
The conflict of the story there are white clouds was the love his mother very much. But when he
If something is the
the up white cloud was the love his mother very much. But when he get and married with the girl, he settled to his relatives and he saw his mother. His mother found very hard first in the story. The ending of the story. Malikunda is hard to put in terms because his mother but on her that his friend because of the salt water did not enter her as his mother.
any question? Yes, Alisa.
Alisa, go to us. What is the main concept of the story? Alisa asked what is the main conflict of the story. Okay, who wants to answer? Okay, go. Yang lain tolong dengerin.
May I answer in Indonesia? Malikunda yang tidak mengakui ibunya karena ibunya miskin dan jelek.
How about the answer from group 4? Setuju? Other group? Agree? Agree. Okay. Because there is no complaint and follow here
for evening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay guys, because all of you here have done the presentation and I really appreciate. I will say thanks a lot because you have participated actively here. But before we close our meeting, I want to evaluate our presentation just now. Barusan itu presentasinya sudah bagus, but saya masih menemukan sedikit error. Ada yang bisa membantu saya menemukan error-error yang terjadi dalam presentation just now? Ada? Bu, saya nemu gitu apa? Anybody want to help me? Mungkin dari cara pengucapan, gitu, ada yang nemu. Gak apa-apa, kita tidak saling menyalahkan ya guys. Kita saling memperbaiki. Ada yang menemukan error pada diri sendiri atau pada temannya? Maybe? Yes or no? Nemu enggak? Enggak? No? Siapa yang?
Saya sendiri.
Oke, Paris tahu apa tadi yang ngerasa kurang jelas?
Kurang jelas pelafalan.
Oh, pelafalannya. Nggak apa-apa ya guys, kurang jelas itu kita bisa memperbaiki pelan-pelan. Because semakin sering dipakai nanti lama-lama akan lancar. But yang namanya salah harus tetap diperbaiki. Just now I really remember, saya sangat ingat pada kata-kata I think Solikin tadi mau ngomong everything ya? Yes, but yang kalian dengar tadi apa?
Evening.
Evening itu apa?
Sore.
Sore. Kalau everything?
Semuanya.
Semuanya or everything? Oke, jadi mungkin maksudnya bagus, tapi kalian kurang tepat menempatkan kata itu. Gak apa-apa, nanti diperbaiki lagi ya Solikin ya? Oke, good. Tapi gak apa-apa, Solikin kurang gak sudah buat penutupan yang berbeda. Applause dulu guys. Iya, kan asli ini penutupannya Solikin barusan. That's good. Gak apa-apa, kita harus berani mencoba. Salah atau benar itu nanti akan pasti ada yang memperbaiki. Kalau tidak mencoba, kita tidak akan pernah tahu kita itu salah atau benar. Dalam belajar kalian harus berani mencoba. Kalau tidak berani mencoba, kalian tidak akan pernah tahu. Apalagi dalam bahasa Inggris. If you want to know more about English, just try. Don't worry, don't be afraid. Jangan takut, jangan khawatir. Apalagi speaking. Speaking is the most difficult practice in English. Yes or no?
Yes.
Menurut kalian dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris yang paling susah dipraktekkan apa?
Pelafalan.
Pelafalan, apa lagi? Semuanya? Oke, nggak apa-apa. Semuanya nanti Rika akan banyak belajar sama-sama. Sama aja. Oke ya, karena kalian ngakunya sudah paham semua, mari kita tes pemahaman kalian. Oke, here I have the test paper and I need you to do this individually. Barusan kompak banget loh ngomongnya. Paham? Ngerti? Oke. Let us check it together. Do this assignment, this individual activity in 15 minutes. Ready ya? Ready dong. Gampang kok kagak jadi. Oke. Ini silakan individual, jadi nggak boleh noleh kanan kiri. Silakan. Because this is individual activity, don't cheat to others ya. Nggak boleh lihat jawaban temennya, jawab sendiri-sendiri. Yang kalian lakukan kelihatan loh dari sini. Oke ya, fokus. Please be focused with your work, guys. Have to write down your name, your complete name, and your class because this is for your individual assessment, penilaian individu. Jadi kalau namanya lupa ditulis nanti ibu bingung dong nilainya gimana. Oke, kalau sudah sini kumpulkan besok. Nah. Sip, mau lagi? Oke, sip. Sudah ya? I'll give the result. Saya akan membagikan hasilnya in the next meeting. Jadi silahkan berdek-dekan ria selama 1 minggu ke depan. Video, I need your help to again and again to get the reflection and of course to prepare for our meeting today. And please, some of you here help me to do this reflection. Jadi saya minta tolong ke beberapa dari kalian to fill dan kemudian dikembalikan gitu ya. Oke. Nah, ini contoh kerjaan kita. April and Paris. And here is yes ya. Ini coba ya guys. Survei and reflectionnya sudah? Okay, please collect it to me. Okay, thank you Linda, thank you April, thank you Paris. Here, sudah ya? Okay, thank you Laila, thank you Ades. Here. Okay, oh Aji semangat sekali. Okay, thank you Aji. Thank you Alisa. Thank you Ahmad, and of course thank you Gila. Okay guys, this is our real ending. But before we close our meeting today, any question guys? Any question or maybe you want to know more about our material just now? Understand about our material just now? Sudah apa? Oke, materi kita barusan tentang apa? Nah, kita itu punya apa saja?
Language feature.
Language feature, generic structure, and then detail information. There is generic structure, language feature, and of course detailed information. Thus, we have come to this ending of the meeting. Sekarang benar-benar sudah ending pertemuan